Hello students, welcome to our channel GeoLearners. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and press bell icon to get new videos on geosciences. Today we are going to discuss scopes of geography honors. Geography is very diverse and vast discipline and having a lots of scope in it. In many universities, geography is taught as science subjects having BSc degree and others taught as arts subjects having BA degree. We all know both are existing, but what is the difference between BSc and BA geography? Both syllabus are same in graduation level, but having BSc means you have physics, chemistry, geology, statistics or computer science with mathematics as your past subjects, while BA is having economics, sociology and political science like subjects as your past subjects. Nowadays, with CBCS system, BSc and BA geography varies on honors syllabus too. BSc students have more options to choose physical and applied papers as elective papers, whereas BA students have more option to choose human geography papers as their electives. Now, directly coming to the scopes. Every geography students have three options after completing their graduation. Either they can choose to do MSc or MTech in any discipline, or direct jobs or focus on professional diplomas. First, coming to job aspects after BSc degree. Only after having a BSc degree in geography, you doesn't have much scopes in job. You can only choose to do contractual jobs or to apply in any projects in Survey of India like institution, or you can choose jobs in tourism industry as tourist journalist or as tourist guides. Other than all these, there is many NGO and other organization, including government also, who give options for internship. As you know about Tulip Portal. What is Tulip Portal? Tulip Portal is a portal of Government of India where graduate students can apply for internship. If you are a geography graduate, you can go there and apply under Smart City project if you have elective in urban planning. After providing your all details, so many companies there and so many industrial sector can recruit you as their intern. Now coming to MSc. Actually, all the scopes open in geography after MSc. If you had a BSc degree, then you can apply in every field of geography, including professional courses also. First of all, you can choose the largest growing field and most popular field of geography, that is geoinformatics. What is geoinformatics? Geoinformatics means the study of remote sensing and geographical information system through satellite communication. Having a MTech or MSc in GIS or remote sensing itself have a bunch of jobs in private and public sector. As data analyst or GIS officer, you can be an employee in navigation sectors, in transport industries like Ola and Uber, mobile and communication sectors, IT industries, etc. All the private institute who recruits GIS students, they come to their colleges, and importantly, you just remember, after completing your MSc, directly you can earn a job. So, campusing is an advantage. There is very prestigious government job also in this field, like ISRO, DST, DRDO or MOES, etc. can recruit you. If you want, we can make a different video in details only on GIS. After the first option, you can go in disaster sector. Yes, if you are wondering to be a superhero-like job, to save people's life and rescue people from many disasters, then this job is perfect for you. After completing your BSc degree, you can apply for disaster studies, or in MSc, you can choose the special paper as disaster management. With this degree, you can apply in central government and sector of disaster management and in various states department of disaster management. Not only in government sector, you can earn a job in disaster management sector of many industries like shipping industries, like any fishing industries, large fishing industries, in any mining industries, in any forest sector, or in any other kind of industries. If you are more interested in climate and weather, then yes, for you there is many job also. Like you can apply in IMD, Indian Meteorological Department, as well as any other meteorological department like regional meteorological department or world meteorological department. If you are able to do that, you can apply in NIO. You can be recruited as news channel reporter to predict or forecast weather. In many private industries, there is need for atmospheric science students, and in any farm like agricultural farm, you can apply for job. Okay, one can go in anthropology and find a job in museums or ASI. If you are interested more in soil science and pedology, you can apply in many kind of industries like organic farming, or like any nursery or any pesticides company can hire you. Okay, now coming to oceanography, and if you are interested in ocean science, then you have to be specialized in oceanography in your master's level. And nowadays ocean research projects are very popular in our country, so you can apply there as project fellow, and easily you can earn monthly 25,000 to 30,000 at your starting point. Coastal managing officer, coastal consultant, and coastal tourism sector can recruit you, and there is a good package of salary here. With all these, a BSc graduate can earn a diploma in many professional courses like mineralogy, archaeology, GIS, green technology, and many more management course. Okay, so BSc graduates are eligible for all the BA Geography jobs too, but for your kind information, all these jobs are not for BA Geography students. Okay, not for BA Geography students. Some of industries allow BA Geography students also, and some institutes also allow BA Geography students to pursue MSc degree in professional course in this sector, but most institute and organization are rejecting them due to lack of mathematical and scientific knowledge. Remember this. We will discuss all the BA Geography scopes and interesting job profiles also after having MA or MSc degree, and though those jobs are for BSc too, you can check it out who are pursuing your BSc graduation, because all the BSc students can apply for every BA jobs. Link of that video will be provided below, and we will discuss all the BA Geography scopes in our next video. Okay, thank you students, and please like, comment and share our video for more information and more videos. Follow our channel. Thank you.